Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Point. In this video you will watch a speech on Independence Day. So let's start. Very good morning to all of you. Honorable Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. We all have assembled here to celebrate the 77th anniversary of our country's independence. As we all know, it is the day when India got its freedom from 200 years of British imperialism and entered into the biggest vote-based system, the largest democracy in the world. We won freedom from British Raj after a hard struggle. That is why this day holds importance in the heart of each Indian citizen. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contributions of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. The British have governed India for about 200 years. Under British colonization, the life of every Indian was dismal and full of struggle. Indians were treated as a slave and had no freedom of speech. Indian rulers were puppets in the possession of British officers. Indian fighters were dealt with cruelty in British camps. The condition of the Indians at that time was very pathetic in their own country. The British were brutal to our ancestors while they were in power. We can't also imagine how difficult it must have been for India to live within the British Empire from where we are sitting. To achieve independence, countless millions of sacrifices were made over many years. India could not have achieved independence without the efforts of numerous extraordinary freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rani of Jhansi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil and Afaq-Ullah Khan are some of the notable names. Numerous freedom fighters fought for independence throughout their entire life, and millions of Indians have lost their lives in this freedom fight. We can never forget their sacrifice who lost their lives just fighting for the better future. The day reminds us to commemorate those who have sacrificed their everything to make us breathe in freedom. Years later, it will keep reminding us of our great freedom fighters who sacrificed and struggled whole lives in order to free our beloved motherland from British rule. We shall honor all the freedom fighters who dedicated their lives to preserve the nation's freedom on this important occasion. Independence Day is a positive historical event for the country since we were free from British rule on this day. It unites diverse individuals all over the country. Unity in diversity is the fundamental path and strength of India. We feel pleased to be a part of the biggest majority rule country on the planet where we live in a democracy. On this day, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of 200 years of British reign in India. We now breathe air in free and sovereign nation. On this significant day, in the last I would like to remind everyone that to make our country independent, the difficult time that the freedom fighters of our country went through and made sacrifices without wasting it. It is now our responsibility to maintain the nation's honor, promote the nation and enhance the nation. But I am very sorry to say that like the environment is in our country nowadays, I am very sad to see that. I would like to say this to everyone, do not let the sacrifices of the Mrityas of our country go to waste. Those who are creating such an atmosphere in our country, make them understand and dare to stand against them. Because it is up to us now whether we protect our country, lead it towards prosperity and progress, or towards destruction. I wish everyone a happy Independence Day and good luck for the future. Thank you. Jai Hind.